Hello, my name is Lachelle, and I'm a designer with over 10 years of experience. I started this channel to share what I've learned along the way, from graphic design to web and UX, and even architecture. I wanted to create a space for both learning and inspiration, and that's why I created Design Tea. So for me, design and tea have always gone hand in hand. Making a cup of tea in the morning reminds me to just pause and slow down before diving into work. In such a fast-moving industry, that pause is just as important as the work itself. So here on this channel, I'll be sharing tutorials in Figma, Illustrator, and even AI, along with behind-the-scenes looks at my workflow, and yes, sometimes even a tea recipe. Because taking care of yourself is just as much a part of the design process as the final product. So, whether you're new to design, experienced, or just curious, I hope you'll sit with me, steep some ideas, and be inspired to keep creating. So if that resonates with you, hit subscribe, share this with a fellow designer, or even somebody who just likes tea, and let's get started. Welcome to Design Tea.